Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Genie Magic here, bringing you guys a easy video on how I clean my lace. If you want to know how to do that, stay tuned. Right here, I'm gonna show you guys how dirty and matted my lace is. Like, look at that. The way I'll be cleaning my lace front is by pouring some steaming hot water in a bowl and letting it sit inside for about 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, after 5 minutes, the glue starts to melt off and you can kind of like pry it off with your thumb. Yeah, just like what I'm doing now. So this is the clean lace. It's not as new, of course, because we have wear and tear, but this is my clean lace. Now what I'll be doing is washing the wig and just reviving its curls. I'm just showing you guys the lace up close with everything done to the wig. Remember guys that this hair is still human hair, so you gotta treat it like human hair. You have to moisturize it so that it can look juicy and bouncy. So yeah. After I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna like crunch the curls together, scrunch it together, just like what y'all see me doing. As you can see, on the left the hair is dry and matted, and on the right the curls are juicy and popping. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.